Happy Monday, everybody. Randy from Profitbot Pro. I just finished writing and releasing our new API. So if you go to the website, you'll see there's a menu item for it right here. I'll explain how this works real quick. So when you use the calculator, you obviously get some results down here. You can now change things. The sort order's fixed. So you see now alloys at the top. I'll put that back down to where it was. So let this sort correctly. Okay, so to use the API for the first time, you're going to need to have a session key and some of this other stuff that's up in the URL. I've made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on API. It opens up a new window, and then you can copy this stuff off and put it into your mining application. So as you can see here, this is JSON data of everything that's in my database. So what are you getting? Well, let's see. Symbol, the coin name, the exchange, some price information about the coin, difficulty, the algorithm that's being used, and all of that up here can be adjusted. So you can set this right now to 75,000, hit enter, and you'll see you've got a new JSON list here. So feel free to tweak any of these. Over on this side of the screen, you'll see some lists that I made. So at the end of this, where it says algo select, your choices are any, or you can pick these. So if you just wanted to see, for example, you have a CPU and you only want to do light, you can put this in there, and then the list will only show you the light. Exchange select, so you can again choose any, or if you are only interested in mining, let's say, coins on TradeOgre, you can pick that, and let's say maybe you only want to mine light coins on TradeOgre, you can do light and TradeOgre. So you just replace any with these words. Listing select, that is if a coin is on an exchange or if it's not on an exchange. So you can type listed, unlisted, or over here I just made it easy to remember, yes and no. So listed, unlisted, yes or no. ASIC, any, yes or no. So if you don't care if it's something that's mineable by an ASIC, you can just leave it any. If you say no, then it's only going to be coins that are not mined by an ASIC. DB select, this is the time span. So if you want the current data that's going to be within 10 minutes old, you can put in current. If you want 1 hour average data, you can just put in 1HR, again 24 hour and 1 week. If you want to know where I get these from, right here. So don't type in obviously what's right here, type in what's here, but any new exchanges come up, usually I just cut the space out of there. In the case of smarts, I put a period in. I really have no good explanation why I did that. Algorithms, again right here, same thing, same way in the list. So there you go. Hope you enjoy it, and catch you later. Bye. Sorry, I just realized that I had one more thing to show you, and I use about 6 screens, so I couldn't just flip you guys over to the other one. So the other side of this API from your side, you could put in something as simple as this in PowerShell. You'll see a list down here. I blew it up a little bit so it's easier to read on the screen, but this is a list of all the data that you're getting from me in the API. So pretty much anything here to, well, it's all mixed in here that you can query. But anyway, you get the idea. Thanks.